Okay, so the next step really is to create some Google site that we're going to post into it. Okay, so you need to actually have one created, but they're very, very quick and very, very easy to do. So if I make Google sites over here, you can go to sites.google.com. As long as you're logged into Google, then you can create a brand new site. Click on blank, and you can just basically put anything that you want in here. Okay, so for example, I'm going to take some keywords that I've got on another screen here, and I'm going to do something like, let's see if I can just grab that without, there we go. And basically what we can do is just put in the headline here, whatever the headline is, we're going to have to use for the name of the site as well. Really quick and really easy to do. There's nothing hard here at all. Okay, I'll just make sure that I've got all of that copied. Come up here to the untitled site where it says untitled site. I'll put in my keyword up here. Okay, this is one of the ones I found when I did a little bit more digging. So I'll just leave it like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we can come over here into the settings, and we can come down to the bottom to announcement banner. Okay, now we can make the banner be on. We can change the banner color. Okay, and we can put in some links in here. Okay, let me see if I can find my links. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put in my link here, and I'm going to put in some text here. So I will put in actually I'm in the wrong place. I need to put this in the message section here, and this section here that says button label, we can put in something like click here. Okay, so crypto arbitrage software. Take a trial. It's $1 trial. Okay, I'm not going to open a new page or anything like that. I want them off of this site as quickly as possible. Okay, so I'll just click on navigation. I'm not going to change anything here. I'm not going to change anything here. I just want to do this quickly as possible. Custom domain, not yet. Analytics, yeah, we do need to add some Google Analytics. I need to go and get the Google Analytics key, so I need to go over there. See if I can go straight to Google Analytics. Yeah, sign in. I'll just pause while I get to the right. Actually guys, I'm going to do that in a separate video because it needs another 5 minutes for that particular task. We will come back and do this. Okay, so we've got our announcement banner. Once I click on here, you will see it appears. Okay, we can go and edit that, we can go and change the color, etc. So it's a little bit better to see. I'll just make it darker. That should help it. There we go. Now you can see it. Okay, so that's that part. What we can do here is we can add some videos and stuff in here if we want to. Okay, so very quickly and very easily we can just take a YouTube video and put it in here. And all we need to do is come down here and click where it says YouTube, and we can put in the video URL once this opens up. There we go. Do the search, click on it, select, that will put a video here. You can just expand this, you can make this come up bigger, etc. See if we can make it a little bit. There we go. That'll do. Okay, so we can click on publish just for now, so that when we do to go to the Google Analytics, we've already got a site that's already published. So web address, what I'm going to do is put in here crypto arbitrage. Palm Beach. crypto arbitrage had already been taken. So I'd click on publish here. Okay, now you can do anything with this drag and drop. You've got placeholders, you've got calendar, maps, etc. A lot of people use this for local SEO. I'm not getting into the local SEO stuff. You can use maps and beds and stuff with our tool with the Google Sites Poster. You will have to go and get an API, which is a paid API, if you want to do that. And you can put in here like forms and slides and documents and all that kind of stuff. You can even embed like blogger blogs in here as well. I'm going to try and keep this as simple as possible. All I want to do in here is put in some call to actions. Just keep it really, really, really simple. Okay, so what we can do is we can come down, we can click on button. Okay, we can add a name for the button. I can put in here get crypto RB. Okay, something like that. I'm just got to go and get my link. Copy that. Insert it. Now what I'm doing here is I'm creating like a home page. Okay, this is going to be like a home page. I don't really want the pages that I'm building with the mass arbitrage to be in the navigation, right? So what I'm doing is building a home page, and what we're going to do with this home page is we're going to actually add the link to this home page when we do the campaign, so that all of those pages that we create will link back in here. Okay, now I'm going to create another button, and this time let's see. Crypto 2-tier affiliate program. Copy the link. Put this in here. Again, I'll just widen it. Drag it over here. Try and make it same size. Right, now what we can do here is we can actually go and click on here, and we can put emphasis. The same thing here. I can do the same thing, or I can leave it like it is. So we've got two different offers here. Okay, up to you if you want to use that emphasis or don't use it. Entirely up to you. All I've done is I'm keeping it really, really simple. So I've got 3 calls to action, one here, one here, one here for 2 different offers. Okay, I'm going to click on publish one more time. So that's updated. Okay, it's not perfect, doesn't have to be. Remember why we're doing this, okay? We're just trying to find the keywords that you can rank for easily. We will delete anything else later on, so that we have got a little mini site that's actually worth having, with traffic ideally. So that's all we need to do for this. Now what we can do is we can click on here next to the publish, the arrow, click on view the published site, and you can see this is our domain name here, sites.google.com, crypto arbitrage Palm Beach. Right, I'm going to take that URL. Okay, I'm just going to keep that safe somewhere because I will use it when we're doing our campaigns. Okay, so now we've got somewhere where we can post into. So in the Google sites, you can see I've already logged into the to one Google account. I need to log into another one, so I'm going to do that in the background, okay, so that I don't show my password and stuff like this. But it's very, very easy. All I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call this one crypto number 1, okay, because I'm going to do several of these. Now what we can do is we can come in here and we can add in our account.